Thank you, Glenn. So we're going to be going over today the recommended use of Focus on Form in the classroom. We're going to discuss our own experiences with Focus on Form and our philosophy, and we're also going to touch on Lowen's pedagogical implications of Focus on Form. So as Glenn stated in the previous slide, Lowen does have the purpose of combining focus on form and focus on meaning so students are able to be successful with language. But it was also stated kind of at the beginning of the chapter that students are more focused on meaning than focused on form. So basically, focus on meaning is just activities in the classroom that are entirely communicative, and there's not really attention to a specific language item unless there's a breakdown of communication. And focus on form, on the other hand, encompasses explicit types of L2 instruction where there is a specific language rule or goal that is being addressed. Lowen stated that students can have a hard time focusing on form and focusing on meaning. So that begs the question, why do we do focus on form then? Well, this can be summed up with Schmidt's noticing hypothesis. Schmidt basically states that L2 acquisition does not happen unconsciously. Rather, there needs to be some sort of awareness of the linguistic form in order for learning to occur. So by incorporating focus on form techniques, students are able to rehearse language structures that they need to improve, so that is transferred into the short-term memory. Enough rehearsal of those language structures, and hopefully those language structures would be encoded into the long-term memory. And the final kind of points are just the different techniques for focus on form, which we will be addressing in the following slides.